everybody, it's Logan from Tech here, and I'm just creating this quick video to show you how to get and install Minecraft Java Edition. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to minecraft.net in your internet browser. Once you get there, you should come to a page that looks something like this. So what you'll want to do is you'll click this big green button here that says Get Minecraft. Then it will ask, how do you want to play? So we are playing Minecraft Java Edition, which is only available for computers. So we are going to select computer. Then it will ask, what platform do you prefer? So then here you'll just select whatever operating system you're using. I am using Windows, so I will select Windows. The next thing you'll do is select your edition. We will be using Minecraft Java Edition, not the Windows 10 edition, so we will select Minecraft Java Edition. Then it will bring you to the store page. If you do not have Minecraft Java Edition, this button right here will say Buy, and then when you click on that button, it will take you to log into your Microsoft account or to create a new one, and then you will be able to buy it there. But I have already bought it, so I will just select the download button. And then it'll bring you to this page, and I'll click Download for Windows. When you hit download, it will appear down here if you're on Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, so I will select that. And then I will get this prompt right here, which will say, Welcome to Minecraft Launcher Setup Wizard. So this is just the installation wizard to install Minecraft. Just keep going through, hitting these buttons and reading what it asks you to do. I've already installed it, so I'm just going to cancel it right here. Alright, so now, once you have downloaded Minecraft, you can close your internet browser, and you should see an icon on your desktop that looks like this. It should just look like a Minecraft grass block, and it'll say Minecraft Launcher. So we will select on that. And it'll open it up here to where you log in. If you have just bought Minecraft, you will select the Microsoft login. Now I am just going to quickly put in my information, and I will get back to you once I log in. Alright, and once you've logged into Minecraft, you will get a page that looks like this. Then all you have to do is hit the play button. If it's your first time launching Minecraft, it might take a little bit more time to update. But eventually, once it's done loading, it should open up Minecraft in a new window. Here it is. Alright, and once it loads, you should get to this menu, and you have successfully installed and opened Minecraft Java Edition. In our next video, I will show you how to connect to the multiplayer server, but for now, if you would just like to play around in Minecraft, you can hit the single player option, and you can create a new world, to play in. Anyway, thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. If not, I hope you all have a great day. See you later.